Welcome to Camarillo, California. My name's Adam Thomas, and I'm excited for you to see my house today. I've been working on the design of this place kind of my whole life, and now it's finished. I'm a builder by trade, building apartment buildings, but this is my forever home. It was really important to me that I made sure every single product was picked on purpose. When looking at the siding materials, I chose AZEK for a bunch of different reasons. What I liked about the product was I was able to use woodworking tools rather than special concrete tools. I was able to use regular wood saws, drills, nail guns, etc. So the workability was very easy. Installation was easy. You know, in talking with the guys, it's not a small job. There's a lot of it to put in. They really liked the fact that it was a fraction of the weight. These panels are, maybe a couple pounds versus the cement fiber panels or even wood panels, much heavier. And the speed of installation was a lot faster as well. The product went up very quickly, cut very quickly, and honestly, I think the end result speaks for itself. As a builder, one of the real important things was not only how it installed, but also how does the product finish? And I think you can see behind me, really happy with the way it finished. It's exactly what I wanted. It's a crisp, clean look. And I only needed one coat of paint. The material comes out pre-primed, both the trim and the shingles. So really, after I caulk everything in and putty it up, one good coat of paint, and this is what you get. Really pleased with how the AZEK product finishes. I'm really excited to see how this product and material perform in the long run. And more importantly, I'm excited about the work I'm not gonna have to do. I'm in kind of a unique situation where not only am I the builder, I'm the homeowner. So it's pretty easy for me to say, not only would I recommend this to other builders, I'd recommend it to other homeowners. I couldn't be happier with the way it turned out, couldn't be happier with the final product. Every time I look at it, it just makes me smile. Anytime anybody asks me what it is, can't wait to tell them it's AZEK.